Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Tianingsi with student number A1B2230X6. Today I want to explain the material about context and inference. So this chapter discusses the role of context in shaping and understanding the meaning of utterance. Understanding an utterance depends not only on its lexical meaning but also on background knowledge and contextual factors such as who is speaking, to whom, where, and when. Linguistic elements that rely on context are called deices. Type of deices include pronouns like I, you, and then time expression like letter and now, and place expression like here and there, and then language vary in their special deicing system. For example, English used two special terms here and there. Spanish used three, equal, near the speaker, like near the listener, and far from board. Some languages, such as UP, have concept deicing system that includes additional information such as object size, distance, direction of movement, and whether the object is visible or hidden. The main concept in the text. Number one is grammatical of context. Grammaticalism refers to how certain contextual information becomes a required part of a language grammar. For example, in UP, special distinctions are grammatically. In Arabic, pronouns obligatory encode gender, like anta for masculine, you, anti for feminine. Right? And the second is about extension of special deices. Special terms can extend metaphorically to other domains, like time that year was hotter than this one, and then discourse. At this point, we return to our premise. And some language has potential metaphors to express procession or emotional stance, like aerials, and the third is about person deices, such as on grammatical encoding of speaker roles. Arabic encodes more info than English. For example, gender, huwa is he and hiya is she. 12 from, for example, antuma is you too. And the number 4 is social deices. Some languages encode social relationship in pronouns, like French, to versus false, and Japanese use verb from and pronouns to show formality and status differences, like kudasaimasita versus kudasata. And the number 5 is reference and inference. Reference in language often depends on context and shared knowledge. For example, I'm looking for the new wolf implies knowledge of an author. She's got to read life. Context, snooker games. Devices like shorthands, metonymy, and synonyms have economized reference but really on inferences. Okay, so metonymy is the Oval Office or the U.S. President or administration. And the number 6 is about knowledge as context. Okay. Speaker estimates what their listener already know to decide how much detail to provide. 3 cores of contextual knowledge. Number 1 is physical knowledge. And number 2 is discourse context. And the third is shared context, cultural or social knowledge. Okay. The next about background knowledge as context. Background knowledge, sometimes called concepts, encyclopedic or socio-cultural knowledge, is crucial for understanding conversion and interpreting meaning in context. This kind of language knowledge isn't explanation instead, but is assumed to be shared among members of a community. Okay. Key points is number 1 is community-based understanding. People belong to multiple communities. For example, language speaker, co-workers, religious groups, each of which carry some shared knowledge. And then the second one is example. I'm hungry. I'll let you some money. Some knowledge that money can buy food. And the third is common ground. Common ground, which includes communal common group shared by